I mean, just based on this study alone, I don't know if it was the right call for you to get into digital art. But you know what? You keep this up, you keep working hard, you keep at it, and one day I believe you can become a lawyer. This almost looks like you were liquefying this character, but you smushed her face by accident, and she What's up guys, welcome back. In our first video of 2023, we're gonna do a roast. So you know what that means. Grab your popcorn, grab your chips, grab your unhealthy food, sit your butt down and enjoy this absolute destruction of not only your art, but also my sanity. So I asked you guys on Instagram to put your work under the hashtag SamRoastMe17. And we have 11.6 thousand entries of people who are sacrificing themselves for our entertainment. And just before we get started, everything in this video is a joke and it's meant for entertainment purposes, so don't take it too seriously, yeah? Don't hurt yourself. Okay, so normally I would start off with the top posts, but you know what? I want to switch things up. I don't want to just look at the most popular pieces. I'm going to go to most recent. We are diving straight down into the gutters. This is gonna be good. And you know what? It doesn't disappoint. Sir Geoffrey Thomas practicing the Asaro head. Yeah. Why does your Asaro head look so shook? What happened? And would you look at that? 3 posts down, Sir Geoffrey Thomas again. I improved the Asaro head. Geoffrey, you know what, Geoffrey? It's time for you to take a nap. It's time to settle down. Everybody quiet. It's Geoffrey's nap time. That is a really cool perspective, but where are the feet? Why are you running from your feet responsibilities? Ooh, it's Dwayne The Rock Johnson. This is unfinished. I just cannot get any hairstyle right on this one. Well, you know what? It doesn't hurt to try something. You know, find a reference, find something that you think would look cool on this character and try it out. You didn't even try. You just left her looking like a bean. Okay, look, that might have been a bit harsh. If you are bald and you are watching this video, I'm sorry. I'm sorry that you're bald. You bean? Ooh. Okay, look, when you're looking at a reference of a person with darker skin, there's going to be a lot of reflected light. So when you're looking at an area like on top of the brow ridge, on the forehead, on the nose, there's going to be some lighter tones that are going to tell you what the form looks like. What did you do? He's flat. First post of 2023, here's my try on doing a style study of Sam Does Arts, because he's the reason why I got into digital art. This is so wholesome. I want to get roasted so bad. Well, you know what? You're gonna get it today. I mean, just based on this study alone, I don't know if it was the right call for you to get into digital art. But you know what? You keep this up, you keep working hard, you keep at it, and one day I believe you can become a lawyer. Bro, Jesus Christ, his neck is thick. What has he been doing with that thing? I don't know, man. He's built like a tree trunk. That's kind of sus. What is that? This is honestly the only case where, you know, having the 2 eyes look in different directions kind of makes sense for the subject that you're drawing. Oh, wow. We got some furry art in here. Been a while since I put this much time and effort into an art. Fun practice. You know what? Hey, if you like fuzzy things, if you like furry animals, you do you. Ooh, guys. Ooh. A desirable man. Now, I would say that if you're running from your responsibilities by not drawing the left eye, at least cover the whole thing with hair so that it doesn't look like he's actually missing the eye. My first painting for 2023, she looks so tired and sad. What happened to her? I think it's because of that dark patch under her right eye. It looks like a dark eye bag right now. She looks exhausted. This is how I look after one of these videos. Oh yeah. Day 16, Milky Way. I'd be crying too if my hands look like that. Everyone's drawing crying characters. What's going on? Are you guys sad? Do you need a therapy session with me? This is the pain of losing someone you have never thought you could spend a single day without. Hold on. Pause. What is she reaching at? Why does he have boobs? Oh, I've seen this reference, but you added a glowing deer. That's cute. It's like that deer from Harry Potter. Expecto Patronum. What the You did what? What is... Dude. What did you do? Eren Yeager, no. I'm literally like 20 minutes into this shoot and I'm already tired. I'm tired. What is that? Why is her head so tiny compared to her body? Okay, let's do the exercise, guys. Do it with me for the 100th time, okay? Put your finger over her head, okay? You want to cover the entirety of her head just like this and keep your fingers there, but while we're covering her head, let's try to imagine the size and shape of her head and where it might be. Okay, can you picture her head? I'm picturing it right now. Once you start seeing it, let's lift our fingers in 3, 2, 1. It's so small. Oh my god. Drawing Sam using 2 different styles. That's me. I mean, this is great. I appreciate this and the fact that it's traditional. Very impressive. But something about me, I look like Gollum from The Lord of the Rings. Oh my god. What? I look even more like him here. I didn't know I needed to see myself as Smeagol today, but I appreciate it. This is cute. I mean, this is just like a very natural gesture pose that you would see when someone's eating. But from afar, his mouth is really close to his nose. So it almost looks like he's sniffing his thumb. It's like he just scratched his butt and he's on a journey to find my style. I can see that. Now, when you're drawing characters like this with the mouth open in a smiling expression, you want to make sure that they have teeth in their mouth. Otherwise, your expression might not read properly and your character can come off kind of strange looking. You know, this would make a really good ad for like a dentist's office or something. You better come in for your checkups or you're gonna end up like this. Ooh, I like that. I like that very much. Well done. Okay, so I've been telling you guys for the longest time about spacing in between the eyes and making your characters look relatively expressive. But this, I don't even know. She looks like a mantis shrimp combined with a hammerhead shark. What is she? What's going on? Okay, guys, stop what you're doing right now. Let's take a look at this. A very nice character drawing, okay? Now, there's some things that could be better, but overall, it's solid. Until... Bro, did you use AI for the hand? There's no other explanation. Okay, Tom does art. Tom, tell me, what's going on with her face here? What happened? Does she have something in her cheek? This almost looks like you were liquefying this character, but you smushed her face by accident, and she... Tom, from one does art to another, please, seek help. Phil does art. Everyone's doing art. I mean, like, I'm not mad, but she should be mad. Her neck is humongous. Why does she look like that? She almost looks like a llama. Ooh, that's kind of interesting. This is like the lo-fi girl, but with a guy. Now, you see, guys, this is why I don't draw men in a lot of my pieces, because men are just not peaceful creatures like this. How often do you see a man doing this? I mean, just picture it, okay? A man standing in the sunlight with his eyes closed, taking in the breeze, with his hair flowing in the wind, and a little burb on his shoulder while he's holding a cat. Like, it's just... This is a 2-hour portrait. Wow. Is that Michael Jackson? Oh, I like this. This is cute. See, guys, see what I'm talking about? Teeth. Teeth in the mouth. It makes sense. Ooh, this is sick. This is so sick. Oh my God. It's Sid. Sid the Sloth. This is a Draw This in Your Style prize for the person who won. Boy, I'd hate to be the winner of your Draw This in Your Style. I mean, that's an easy fix. You know, you could just liquefy the eyes a little bit closer together so that your character doesn't look like a praying mantis. Jesus Christ. And with this piece, I think I've had enough. We're gonna end this video here today. I mean, good anatomy, but boy, all right, well, you know what? Mission success. I have been mentally damaged from the shooting of this video. If you guys want to support my descent into madness, head over to my Patreon and check out our monthly tutorials. And I hope you guys were thoroughly entertained by this video and maybe learned a thing or two along the way. But don't take anything I say too seriously. It's all a big joke. Life is a joke. With that being said, feel free to subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Okay guys, I hate to be talking about weather all the time, but it's 5 degrees and raining in Toronto, and it's January. This is unheard of. It's great. It's fantastic. I love it. You know, maybe global warming isn't so bad. Maybe we need more of this.